When you need to assess a specific journal title, use Ulrichsweb. From Lopez's homepage, click on Database List. Click on the letter U and scroll until you see Ulrichsweb. You can also type Ulrichsweb into the search bar at the top of the page, but your spelling must be correct. Click on Ulrichsweb. You may be prompted to log in with your ECU credentials if you are off campus. After opening Ulrichsweb, type the title of the journal you need to assess. You will receive a list with icons and a table of information. The icons from left to right are Has Table of Contents, Refereed or Peer-Reviewed, Electronic, Open Access, and Reviewed. Additionally, you will see the title, the publisher, the ISSN, country, status, serial type, and format. Clicking the title brings you to the record page. From here, you can find even more detailed information about that journal. Click the website link to access articles in that journal. Do you need a journal for your own article? Visit JANE, the Journal Author Name Estimator. To use, copy and paste your title or abstract into the search box. Click Find Journals. JANE will try to match keywords that you provided with keywords from publishers to provide a best match of journal titles. The results are based on confidence of the search. Article influence can help you determine which journals are more likely to drum up interest in readers and to increase exposure, as well as citations.